Absolutely beautiful morning. Wow. Man, why? Could be any better. Alright, but anyways, I decided today is just going to be a beach day. I'm not going to go anywhere. Just going to eat. I have a beach umbrella and I got a beach chair that I brought with. So later on, I'm going to be setting that up and just hang out on the beach all day. So that's the plan. It looks like it's going to be absolutely a beautiful day. Look, waves aren't too big like they were the other days, and it's not too windy. It's a really light breeze. It cannot be any better as of right now. But anyways, I'm going to go have some breakfast, and then later on we'll be hitting the beach. Look at that. Oh, wow. One more look. On the beach here. Oh, wow. Man, okay. All right. Talk to you later. All right. I got my beach umbrella set up. Got my beach chair I'm sitting on. Here's my view. Absolutely beautiful. It's almost 11:30 right now. So, I just relax all day. Look down the beach. Oh, over there. Yeah, I'm sitting right in front of my motel that I'm staying at. Right behind me there. The pool, the swimming pool is right on the other side of the wall. Look down the beach that way. And the other direction. Alright, so now my time of relaxation starts, where I do nothing. Okay, I'm going to just enjoy this day, and I'll talk to you later. figured I better do a video clip to actually showing my beach umbrella, and got my chair there. That's where I've been sitting all morning. It's a little after 2 o'clock. I got here set up about 11:30. It's about 2 o'clock now. I've gone in the water a couple times. There's the setup right there. From this angle here. There we go. Man, I've been to the beach before, you know, sitting on the ocean, but I've never had a beach umbrella. I don't know how I survived without it. Man, it's nice just sitting here in the shade, and yeah, that's nice. I get plenty of sun yet, you know, when I go out into the water. Just do that every once in a while. But yeah. Absolutely a beautiful day. I guess what got up, it's up in the 80s right now, I think. Nice cool breeze too, so. Alright. I'm going to continue enjoying this day, and I'll talk to you later. It is now about 5:15. And I've gone into the water a few more times. Well, a couple more times at least. And still just sitting here relaxing, enjoying this final day I have to be here. The sun's getting lower in the sky behind me now, and just looking back behind me, there's my motel back there. And I got my, I tilted the umbrella. Now that the sun's kind of behind me, got it at an angle now. Man, I visited the beach, you know, at the ocean, you know, many times before. I have never had a beach umbrella. And I don't know how I survived without it. This is my first time having one, and yes, I absolutely love it. It's the way to go, if you ask me. Well, there we go. Just had to do an update here later in the day, and I'm still gonna just sit here for a while longer. So probably until I start getting cool. But anyways, it got up to I think 86 or 87 today as far as temperature. And it never bothered me at all being in the shade of the umbrella. So, okay. Talk to you later. Okay, well, this is it. As you can see, I took the beach umbrella down. There's the hole that it was in. And it all packed up, so I'll just have to fold up my chair and grab everything and head back to my room, and that'll wrap up my day at the beach. Man, it was a beautiful day. I'm so glad that I did this. Beach days are so awesome, especially when the weather is absolutely perfect, and I could not have asked for a better day. Man, it was nice. Okay, man alive. This is it. It's tomorrow morning, heading back towards home, back up to Minnesota. But anyways, I can see myself, you know, taking out a trip, and the only thing I do is go to the beach and just sit there. This was just for one day, and I could easily do it for the one day, you know. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take and put this stuff back, bring it up in my room, or I could probably put it in the car. But okay, talk to you later. It's about around 7 p.m. right now, and what I did after putting my stuff away, I decided to take a walk down the beach. I went down that way probably a mile and a half, something like that, somewhere in there, and now I'm walking back and almost back now. Just wanted to spend a little bit more time here on the beach, just on a walk. There it is. Oh man, wish I didn't have to leave. Have to walk way down there where those towers are, those taller buildings are. That's as far as I went, and I came back. Oh man, I'm almost back now, so. Okay, well, I'll talk to you later. All right, it's several hours later now, and I'm about to head to bed. And I got most the stuff packed up already in the car. So all I have left is just my suitcase, got my clothes, and of course my bathroom bag stuff, and that's my clothes already laid out ready for in the morning. So all I have to do is oh yeah, even already I say to take a shower tonight, so I'll have take up less time tomorrow. So in the morning all I have to do is eat breakfast and wash up and brush my teeth and stuff, and throw in the last remaining things I have in the motel room here, and hit the road. So anyway, so that wraps up this video of the beach day. Man, I'm so glad I did that. I really needed a day just to sit on the beach and enjoy the ocean, the weather, and the waves coming in. It's just, the beach stuff. Oh, I love it. But anyways, heading home, start driving home tomorrow. So travel day tomorrow. So okay, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.